What if I told you that you've been overpaying every time you shop online? But not anymore, because we have just found a tool that automatically saves you money, gives you cash back, and compares prices. It's your new Shopping BFF. Huh? Wondering what is Shopping BFF? It's your best friend forever while shopping online. How? It's always there for you during online shopping. It saves you money with coupons and cash back. It helps you make better decisions, like comparing prices. It's usually free, easy to use, and reliable. Ultimately, it will take care of your online shopping experience so you never overpay again.
That's great. So what's that tool?
It's called Coupert. Automatic Coupon Finder and Cashback. This video is sponsored by Coupert. Coupert is a free browser extension that helps you save money by automatically applying coupons, giving cash back, and comparing prices, all while you shop. Discover Coupert, your ultimate savings tool with 3 core features. 1. Automatic coupon testing. 2. Cashback rewards. 3. Price comparison service. With Coupert extension, you can shop smarter and save bigger. Here are some statistics that how users save with Coupert. 8 million users saved money with Coupert. Users saved $180.12 yearly via coupons. Users earned $86.92 yearly via cashback. Users saved $333.74 yearly via price comparison. Coupert is a featured tool on Google Chrome Web Store with 4.7-star rating out of 5 stars and reviews given by 9,800 valid users on Chrome Store, and also with 4.8 average star rating and reviews given by 12,458 users on Trustpilot. Here are some of the recent reviews both on Chrome Web Store and Trustpilot website. And over 9 million people use Coupert every week, of which 6 million on desktop and 3 million are on smartphone. It works with 200,000 plus merchants across the globe. Coupert supports Google Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari browsers on desktop, and also Safari on mobile.
How to get started with Coupert?
Getting started is super easy. Just click on the link in the description, install the extension, and register in seconds. That's it. And start saving right away. Now, let me show you the 3 top features of Coupert for saving money during your online shopping. Coupert automatically finds and applies the best coupon codes to save money on your online shopping. No more searching for promo codes. Coupert does it for you. Now we are going to choose few products and add them to cart on iHerb.com website. Go to the View Cart for Checkout page and show you the savings so you can be sure to see the saved amount. Click on Apply Coupons button. Wow! Here you can see that we saved $25.80. Now, we are gonna apply the coupon and check out for proceeding. But that's not all. Coupert also gives you cash back from over 76,000 retailers, including Temu, Macy's.com, Walmart, Sephora, and more. Cashback rewards typically take an average of 15 days to process. The more you shop using Coupert, the faster your cashback is paid. Cashback can be redeemed via gift card, PayPal, or bank card. And finally, the price comparison tool is the best feature for making decisions by comparing product prices across major sites like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, Nike, and more, so you never overpay again. The price comparison feature can be used alongside automatic coupon testing and cashback. allowing you to save even more. Now, let's choose a product on Amazon to display how to use the price comparison feature. Here, you can see the price comparison for this product and decide to choose the best price option. So, are you ready to stop overpaying and start saving effortlessly? Click the link in the description and install Coupert now. It's 100% free, and it literally takes seconds. Install Coupert today and join 9 million smart shoppers.